Bristlecone, we believe true impact begins where hope is scarce. Guided by the Mahindra RISE philosophy, our CSR initiatives focus on science education and awareness, reaching lives often overlooked. Through learning and mindfulness, we nurture confidence and resilience, empowering young minds to take charge of their future. Here's a glimpse of the initiatives we carried out in the last financial year, along with voices from those whose lives we touched.
Our STEM initiative was born from a simple yet powerful vision to give young minds, especially girls and underrepresented communities, not just access to education, but the tools to shape tomorrow.
STEM education for blind and low vision girls, an initiative by National Association for Blind Delhi and CSR partner Bristlecone. Imagine a world where every blind and low vision girl can explore the wonders of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics without limits with NAB Delhi STEM education program supported by Bristlecone. This world is becoming a reality.
So it's an honor working in line with company's vision. We distributed some kits which will help visually impaired children to use STEM subjects.
We don't just give STEM kits. We inspire futures and spark curiosity. While we are proud of what we have done, we are extremely excited about the journeys that these children will take.
In this small school, dreams often had to fight for room to grow. Welcome to the STEM Lab at Rastapet Education Society, a space where curiosity meets creativity, innovation drives learning, and dreams take flight. Many of these children come from the toughest backgrounds, including the children of sex workers. This transformative lab has been made possible through the generous support of Bristlecone in partnership with the Y4D Foundation.
Most of them are from the labor class.
பேரண்ட்ஸை பார்த்தாலும் என்ன இவ எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் சோகமாகவே இருக்காளேன்னு அவங்களுக்கு தோணல. நான் சந்தோஷமா இருந்தாலும் என்னை சுற்றி இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாரையும் சந்தோஷமா பார்த்துக்கணும்.
Happy children are better learners. It's as simple as that.
If you make the world a little better too, no one will feel richer than you.
किया तो फिर मुझे पता चला कि ब्लाइंड का भी एक अलग सा होता है जैसे कि ज्योमेट्री किट.
Team Lab help us to understand various concepts related to science and mathematics.
Wherein we are providing the STEM kit, they rightly say that you should tap them young, and the moment we do it, the child is going to build this knowledge-seeking attitude. There's a poster that always think like a proton, which is positive. And yes, this indeed is a very positive initiative.
இப்போ இந்த 3 days வந்து program அந்த happy child program ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. இது வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ஸ்க்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சில்ட்ரனுக்கு தேவையான அனைத்தும் அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க.
Thank you. Thank Bristlecone.
Thanks Bristlecone. Thank you Bristlecone.